What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we'll be jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick fun Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything, both in the paint, over top of the paint. Basically, we're just trying to recreate more expensive looking paint jobs on a budget, guys. Trying to keep things simple and just have some fun learning together what works, what don't. I've got a test fender prepped up behind me today. So here's the game plan. We're going to be hitting it, two-toning it with semi-gloss black and a really cool, almost baby light blue, maybe a little bit darker, called Oasis Blue, guys. And today, we're kind of continuing along where we left off last episode, where we made a candy ghost red, guys. It was a really cool episode. If you haven't seen it, go back and check it out. Today, we're going to try to make a candy ghost blue, and I've got glimmer ghost blue for my candy pigments, and I've got a blue limelight candy concentrate. So we're going to mix those together and try to create that candy ghost blue. We'll be shooting it all in Finish One Clear. So that's the game plan for today. I'm going to get some Rustoleum on this fender behind me, and then we'll get into making a candy ghost blue. This is going to be a fun one. Let's get into today's episode. Alright, guys, so now we got our two Rustoleum colors down on the fender, and it's time for the fun part. Let's make us a candy custom blue base coat with some ghost pearls and limelight candy blue concentrate. Now, I'm not going to lie, it is extremely cold out here today, guys. It is a little below 40 degrees. Yeah, you heard that right. So I'm going to try and get through this, but I am using a fast activator with my clear to try to speed things up. It's one of those days that I kind of envy some of the other YouTubers that might have better facilities, but hey, I'm going to get it done regardless, and you know, it's all about having fun on this channel, and yeah, it is what it is. So we're going to move forward. So I will be doing this today, pour band style on Finish One Clear. 4 parts clear, 1 part fast activator, so 5 ounces total into the mix. And I'm probably going to double that since we are doing the candy effects and stuff, so you guys kind of divide all that accordingly. And as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright, guys, so I got my little mixing station set up. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen the limelight candy blue before. And of course, today we'll be using Glimmer Ghost Blue, and if you see the little lid on the can, it is a very shimmery ghost blue. I actually used this on my shop truck not long ago, so this is going to be a fun one today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of introduce a healthy amount in there, kind of guesstimate probably about 1 gram of the ghost blue, and get that mixed up really good. And like I said, you'll see the effect kind of start to take shape. It does kind of cloudy up the clear or whatever, but at certain angles you'll see that blue, a really pretty ghost blue, guys. So don't count it out. It is definitely very nice when it hits the panel. And now let's candyfy this thing, man. Let's use my popsicle stick method, and we're going to drip some in there, and we're going to watch this turn into a really cool custom candy blue base. And I think it's going to be really fun, really interesting today, especially over the black and over the blue. And as I get to mixing, oh yeah, it's really coming alive. Man, that is a pretty blue right there, guys. All right, so I think this will do really well for a custom candy blue. If you look at the popsicle stick, man, it is really meshing well. I can't wait to get this on the panel and see what it does. So there's only one thing to do at this point, guys. Let's load up the D1 drizzle gun, and let's get to spraying some of this custom candy blue base coat. Alright, guys, so now I got my custom candy blue base coat, ghost blue mid coat, whatever you want to call it, mixed up now, and we're ready to spray it on this panel. This is an Intercraft D1 drizzle gun that I'm using today. It's a low volume, low pressure gun. It's got a 1.3 tip and I shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger for anybody that's interested. I'm gonna have to do consistent coats on this because this is a candy style paint job. Probably 3 or 4 till I get a good effect. And then the fun part, we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. I'm gonna put my mask on, let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so semi-gloss black and Oasis blue with a custom Ghost Candy blue base coat. Man, it's a little more subtle over that Oasis blue, but over that semi-gloss black, man, look at that pop. And that candy really brought out that Ghost blue even more. Very, very cool. Very different colors over both, but what do you guys think? Wow, this one today has got me rethinking my shop truck, guys. As you know, I hit my shop truck with Glimmer Ghost Blue when we painted it last, but I didn't hit it with the candy. And maybe I should have, because this really made that Glimmer Ghost Blue pop today. If you want to see the comparison, you can go back and check out my other episode with Glimmer Ghost Blue. And I think I did it also over a similar blue as far as the Oasis blue goes. I think I used a little bit lighter blue, but man, it really darkened that Oasis blue with the candy effect and then gave it a nice pop. And over the semi-gloss black, it made them blues that much deeper by adding the candy. So very, very cool results over both colors. But hey, it ain't up to me, guys. It's up to you guys. Rate it in the comments. Let me know what you think. 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you decide you want to spray with Glimmer Ghost Blue from My Candy Pigments, I can get you guys a discount. So my links will be in the description as always. And at checkout, enter WAWSHOP. You'll get a discount. And it goes to help out the channel. So it's a win-win for both of us, right? The Lime Candy Concentrates, the Finish One Clear, the D1 Drizzle Paint Gun, everything else I use on the channel is always in my Amazon store, guys. It's the link below that says As Seen on YouTube. You click that link, it'll take you to my store where you can purchase everything for the same price I get it. It won't cost you anything extra, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you like these crazy spray outs like this, the product reviews, the tutorials, the paint jobs, a little bit of everything I do on this channel, then please take a second, if you hadn't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell beside it. That way you'll get notified every time a new episode drops, and you just never know what you're going to see on the next episode of Whitley Auto Works. We're about to start a new project. I got a buddy named Cisco who's going to be bringing me a truck to paint, so stay tuned for that. You'll definitely want to be subscribed to see what we do with that, because he's got a really interesting color combination that he wants to throw on that thing. So it's going to be quite a project, but hey, it'll be a lot of fun, guys. So as always, guys, I appreciate you tremendously for sticking with me and watching these videos and supporting me and everything else. And I hope you had a good one today. Unfortunately, it was a little under 40 degrees today. I'll show you the thermometer real quick. So it was not an easy one to get through today, but we did get through it. And like I said, let me know your thoughts and the opinions. Help me out with the algorithm, guys. Leave me a quick like and comment. Tell me, what would you like to see next? What's a combination we haven't done yet on the channel that you think would be really, really cool to showcase? I've got over 170 plus spray outs, so definitely go back down the rabbit hole. And if you don't see it, then drop it in the comments of the latest video, and I'll get to it as quickly as I can, guys. I'm trying to pump these videos out left and right so that you guys can see your different spray outs, and so that we can all learn together and have some fun. So appreciate you always watching me today, guys. That's going to be it for me. I'm John for Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.